Hello my friends, this is Lucy from Lucy Lanuza Art. Welcome! Today we're working on a 14 by 14 canvas. And these are our beautiful colors. We're going to make some flowers in a garden of leaves. And let's look at our colors. First, we're going to begin with Golden's Quin Magenta. And I have this custom color, which is a pinky peach. It's just gorgeous. I have Peridot Green by DecoArt and 24 Karat Gold. I also have Primary Element Temptation. Okay, let's go again. Let's hope this works a little bit better, not so many. Our Quin Rose, I'm gonna make a puddle a little bit bigger. Our custom color, very pretty. And then we have Temptation by Primary Element. Looks like I have some bubbles and a smiley smiley face. Let's put a little bit in the center. All right. Now on the next one, we're going to start with this pretty color. Then we'll do the magenta, and we'll just see how that works out. And then we'll do the same thing, a little bit in the center and around. And 24 Karat Gold in the middle. All right, now let's do our leaves. This is Peridot by DecoArt. And we're gonna do them closer. Okay, now let's get rid of all those bubbles. And dark green cell activator. Okay. Again, I'm going to be using the world's smallest blower. You can get it on Amazon. Okay, there we go. Now we're ready to let's center it. Let me wipe my hands a little bit here. Let's put it back in the center. Okay, and our dark burgundy cell activator. You know what I want to do? No, not yet. Okay. All right, those are very beautiful. And since I'm using the new can of Gliddens, I'm not seeing all the white dots as in my first go around. Okay, so right now I'm going to make the petals. All right, pretty, pretty, pretty. All right, let me move you over a little. Move my camera over. Pretty. Needs a little bit more, but here, let me take care of this. Oh, such pretty colors. Spin a little bit more. Wow. That's lovely. Lovely. Got some more drops coming up. That's what I like. Yeah, I like that. Just like that. That last spin helped with the composition that I liked much better. Isn't that beautiful? Which way would I put it? I think I put it this way. You could put it any which way. Yeah, I think I like it this way. Okay, my friends. Oh, beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something. I hope I inspired you. And I'm going to get you down for a close-up. I hope these little dots don't keep coming up. And God bless you. I wish you all the best. If you like this, please give it a, ooh, look at that. I have a, give it a like and maybe a subscribe. See, you can backtrack sometimes some of the colors you don't want, but that's fine. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.